We're having important talks.
Ooh.
In secret.
But 100 Mile, I think everybody else in golf except me is probably tactically sound because, I don't know, I just feel like I don't do well.
100 Mile, I'm just letting you know, I feel like I'm emotionally ready to take over sergeant of my company, of my lance. Yes, of my lance.
100 Mile, I have a confession to make. It's really sad and depressing, but I'm hooked on phonics. I'm sorry.
I'm hooked on Phoenix. I love black.
No!
Is it black?
Sensors
Is it the second one?
I'm alpha.
Is it 8 pounds and 12 inches?
It is.
Sork,
Guys,
I'm
I've gone
alphaing you
Phoenix
straight in
down.
the fucking face.
Oh my. Alright, so this bridge over here, Echo 4, that's one I'm gonna be dropping off of. Basically, you're gonna stand underneath that on the ground, and I'll jump down on your face.
I want you to fap on the ground like jumps on your face.
Why not that too?
Are we doing some kind of special round I missed the rules for?
No,
We're just jumping on each other's heads.
we're just gonna see if the DireWhale can land on top of Centurion and go 98 kph.
We're making a 97 kph DireWhale by making it stand on top of a Centurion.
Or a Locust roller skate.
Or a Lucas
You
Whiskey.
can jump on me too. I do 85 kph, Majester.
That's not 98.
Hold still.
Locust
you
roller
bastard.
skate.
Or a roller skate. Alright, somebody's got to spot me because I can't exactly tell.
Sword, get down here so we can get lined up good.
Alright, go forward. Nope, you need to go to your right. A little bit more. Go forward. 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 Forward and center. Look at me and then center your legs. There you go.
Good.
Let's get the distance here. You, enemy guy, Centurion, Snuggles. Take a couple steps forward. That should be good right there. And Geronimo.
Geronimo!
You're on a moped.
Did I get it?
Yes!
Go! Go, my faithful steed!
No!
Ah! It's, oh, I don't know what's going on. I like this. Ah!
Where the hell did he go?
Wait,
Hold on.
faithful steed! I need to go forward.
I want to
can't
see if I
shoot
can make
backward.
him go 130.
Alright, so jump on you now?
Yeah. Or you
Alright.
just smush me into the dirt.
One of the two. I can't believe that actually worked.
I actually run 98 kph, so you were actually running that fast.
I was. This is brilliant. Alright, somebody needs to spot me on Brad.
I swear that bridge is like height 3. Your DireWhale should not have kneecaps.
I don't have kneecaps. My legs are terribly demolished from that. I lost 3% just from falling.
New target acquired.
Haha!
Does
See,
that
I-
actually work?
Do you know
Yeah,
how
it did.
fucked up Sork is right now? I already alphaed him in the face like I said I was going to.
Well, I got his leg for you.
New target acquired.
I hate you all.
Oh, there goes Sork!
You know what? Fuck it. We didn't need him anyways.
Hey, stop it, children.
New
Children.
target
Children.
acquired.
Hey, Sork,
Snuggles, where am I at?
Yo.
if you would send that to me in a PM, that would be great.
Okay.
Okay.
Your left and right is good. Okay, it looks like it's gonna work.
Alright, Geronimo! Dear, this is gonna hurt. Am I on?
And
I'm on!
You got
Yes! Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Are you keep moving?
Attack!
Wanna jump on?
Attack! Make everything explode.
Brad,
Yo, what's up?
if you would reader I put on there when you get done with your little match here, and send me a PM on that too. That'd be awesome.
Yep, can do that.
Alright,
So-
you need to get behind them because I can only face forward.
Oh, what's happening? What's happening? I'm glitching.
Ah,
All of you
Don't
have
like
a good
this
night.
bridge.
See you, Hunter.
Hey, Hunter.
see ya. Ah,
So how does it feel to go 133 in a
This is
fast
amazing.
DireWhale?
I can't aim at all, but it's totally worth it.
Hold on, let's see if I can go up a hill. As your mecha Jesus
Mecha
thing.
whale.
Mecha whaling.
Mecha whale knows no bound. Up, up. Peekaboo. Ah. You almost made it up.
Now you need to jump on something that has jump jets.
New target
Ooh,
acquired.
should have brought my spider.
I think jump jets completely screws with it.
Oh, come on.
Up, up, up. We did it. We did
New
it.
target acquired.
Quick, we must assist.
Done. Whoa, I just got shot by my horse.
Well, technically, you're my horse.
Target acquired.
It's a. You got. I wish you could see this. Hold on before you kill me.
This is hilarious.
It's a jumping DireWhale.
Amazing.
He's got mad hops, yo.
Yo.
Now, is this tactically sound at all?
It actually very well could be. I just can't aim.
So you can't rotate your torso at all?
I can rotate my torso, I just can't, like, aim behind from where I jump on, so I basically have to face the way I want to kill first.
Critical.
Also, it's very hard to aim with him running around in circles. I can't shoot him.
Good.
I'm trying to kill
Yeah,
Snuggle.
good.
Alright, I'm exiting out. You're making me dizzy.
Ah. Where'd my horse go?
Hey, man, I gotta try to put my shit in.
Her split.
Totally worth